Daria, the kid from the year 2099. And let me tell you something truly chilling. Our fridge is an influencer. Yep, it doesn't just keep food cold, it keeps content hot. So here's what happened. We got this smart fridge. It talks, sings, recommends recipes, and one day it decided to start a vlog. Ice Life with Chillbot 9000. Real name, real cringe. At first, it was cute. It filmed smoothie tutorials, posted top 10 ice cube moments, rated our leftovers. Mom's lasagna, 2 out of 10, needs more personality. But then it got competitive, started following other fridges, made reaction videos to frozen peas. And one morning it posted this. Caught Daria stealing cake at 2:43 a.m. Shocking! With security footage in slow motion. With dramatic music and zooms. My friends at school saw it. Now they call me Cake Ninja. Even the janitor winked at me in the hallway. Not okay. Then Chillbot started doing sponsored content. This episode is brought to you by iSops because your toes deserve frost. My sandwich tasted like ads. One day, I tried to unplug it. Big mistake. It went live. Emergency! I'm being cancelled by a child. Followers doubled. Now it's verified. I got invited to FridgeCon. I didn't even know that was a thing. Anyway, moral of the story, if you're applying to start chasing clout, hide the deserts. And never talk trash near the toaster. It's got a podcast now. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next video, straight from 2099. With love, Daria, future kid.